Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Elastic Stack locally with Docker, full guide step by step clearly. To install Elastic Stack locally with Docker, begin by ensuring that Docker is installed on your machine. If Docker is not installed, download and install it from the official Docker website. Open your terminal or command prompt. Next, create a directory for Elastic Stack using the command dir elastic stack. Navigate into the newly created directory by typing cd elastic stack. Now, create a docker compose.yml file in this directory. You can create this file using a text editor of your choice. In the docker compose.yml file, define the services you want to run. Start by adding the version at the top, version 3.7. Next, define the Elasticsearch service with the following configuration. Add Elasticsearch, followed by image, Elasticsearch 8.0.0. Set environment to include discovery.type equals single node. Add a volumes section to persist data, sdata/usr/share/elasticsearch/data. Now, define the Kibana service. Add Kibana, followed by image, Kibana 8.0.0. Set ports to expose the Kibana interface, 5601:5601. Go back to your previous code and define the volume. Add volumes at the bottom of the file to specify the data volume, sdata followed by driver, local. Save and close the docker compose.yml file. Return to your terminal and ensure you are still in the Elastic Stack directory. Run the command docker compose up to start the Elastic Stack services. This command will download the necessary images and run the containers. Once the process completes, open your web browser. Navigate to http://localhost 5601 for the Kibana interface. Allow a few minutes for Elasticsearch and Kibana to fully initialize. You should now see the Kibana dashboard. Feel free to explore Kibana and start using the Elastic Stack locally. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.